How to use Monday.com for CRM. To start, let's bring in some leads. You can enter them manually. Import a CSV. Collect them via form. Pull them in with integrations. Or even use the Monday CRM Chrome extension to add leads in one click. You can build with AI on top of the lead form. Here you can add a text field to autofill potential discovery questions for your first touchpoint based on their form submission. Email sequences. Set up a sequence to send an automatic email on day 1, complete with our AI-generated discovery questions and a calendar link to get the ball rolling. Ping the responsible rep to call a day later. Contacts board, where we keep every relationship in one place. Each contact is linked to the related item on the account and deals boards, so the bigger picture is always in sync. That's it. Thanks for watching.